An emergency fund can save you from financial disaster. In this video, we'll show you how to build one step by step. Our first point is, aim to save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, but start small. Even £500 can make a big difference. You may find that you're not sure whether to focus on this first or focus on your debt first. We suggest putting something aside in your emergency fund, even if it's just 20% of your monthly net income to start off with. After that, you can use the money you are contributing to your emergency fund towards paying off your debt. And then once your debts are paid off, go back and build 3 months, 6 months, or even a year's worth of an emergency fund based on your lifestyle and emergencies. There's also nothing stopping you from contributing to both on a monthly basis. Just consider how much interest rates from your debts may or may not be affecting you. Point 2. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easy access savings account so it's there when you need it, or have a trusted family member or friend keep it so that you don't dip into it unless it's an actual emergency situation. Point 3. Calculate how long it would take you by saving each month to reach your goal, whilst ensuring that your essential expenditure is covered. Then, you can start making regular contributions. Even if it's just a little each month, try and get started. Consistency is key. And by doing this, you are building a habit muscle. Since you've made it this far into the video, our Thrive Allies tip is, automate your savings to make it easier. Set up standing orders or saving pots and goals in your banking or budget app. You'll find that the better you become at budgeting, the less emergencies you're likely to have. It's a great thing you're watching this series then. If you've started your emergency fund, tell us in the comments. We'd love to celebrate your progress. Next up, we'll show you how to create a realistic budget that fits your life and how everything we've discussed so far fits in. So don't miss it. Let's start thriving together.